Next, we'll create the base for the handle placement. Select the bottom planar face of the handle to create a sketch. Draw a rectangle like this. Use the merge points command. I've just made a mistake, mixed up the commands, but I'll fix it later. Add the horizontal dimension to the rectangle and the vertical one. Start the extrusion element command. Specify the distance, it should be 15. Complete the command. Let me set the isometric view to see our model better. Next, we'll use the full fillet command to shape the base. Select the two side faces and the central face. You can see the full fillet preview. Confirm the command. I'll set the isometric view again, but this time by using the sphere in the orientation element. Note that you can also rotate the view around the coordinate axis by using the arcs. Hold an arc and drag your mouse, and you can set the view perpendicular to one of the axes by clicking on it. Let's add fillets to the handle. Start the fillet command. Select the edge. As you can see, this is not what we need. It will be more efficient here to use the variable radius method along with the special design method option along the boundary curve. Select this edge as the boundary curve. You can see the preview. I think this is what we need. Repeat the same on the other side. Select one more boundary curve, activate the Objects field, and select this edge as the object. Confirm the command. To make the handle smoother, keep the fillet command active. Select the bicircular arc method in the Parameters toolbar. The radius is 1 and select the edges. Now we should get rid of all the sharp edges of the base. To do this, start the chamfer command. Leave the chamfer parameters at their default settings. Select the vertical edges and confirm the command. Add more chamfers. Note that you can choose the corners design. There are two options: cut corners and don't cut corners. Let's take a look at both. Double-click to edit. Set the cut corners option. Confirm. The model of the handle has been finished.